Have you ever been to Cancun? I just went on my first trip to Cancun, Mexico this year, and I had a blast. If you're looking for a tropical getaway but aren't interested in the party aspect of Cancun, then I recommend staying at an all-inclusive resort. We stayed at the Royalton Riviera CANCUN in Puerto Morales. We had everything we needed in regards to awesome accommodations, dining, activities, and some pool time. It's also a cool place to host an event. I know this because I was a groomsman in a wedding, which is exactly why we went in the first place. Let's first check out the rooms. Our room was spacious and had a nice layout. Hot tub for my lady and double head shower. While my wife and I were looking in the website, what caught our attention were the words swim out pool.
And check this out, baby. We got our own little swim out pool area. Love it.
You can literally open your patio door and take a dip in the pool that wraps around the building.
And the swim out bar over there. We'll be hitting that later.
Cold water. Let's do this.
Though the water was colder than I normally like, I took advantage each morning to enjoy the moment. It was also helpful to take a dip each morning after a long night of drinks and partying.
What lovely service from the señorita. Right.
It was kind of cool. I could even order a drink from the pool.
Excellent. Love it.
There are several restaurants and bars throughout the whole resort. Different styles of food and cocktails. We tried something different every night, always with good company. And each evening there are different activities happening near the main stage behind the pool. Live music, DJs, and all kinds of entertainers. This was the party spot. You have the option of booking different excursions through Nexus Tours. They have an office there on site for people looking to go on different types of tours. This company also provides your transfer to and from the airport. We only booked one excursion on this trip, and we sure had a good time with the wedding party.
Hey, cheers to Walter and Andrea!
It was a catamaran ride. But first we took a smaller boat ride from the beach behind the resort, which, even though that was basically a water taxi ride, I really enjoyed it. Then we got on the catamaran where we had some finger foods and some fun alcoholic beverages, which were all included. It took us out for a ride, then we parked in this beautiful clear area in the ocean, where we simply enjoyed our time hanging out and swimming. The water was crystal clear. I loved it. They had other tours that take you to see some of the ancient ruins, but since we had already done some of those tours on another trip, which I'll tell you about in a different video, we figured the ocean time would be more enjoyable. Good times.
With a bunch of cool people. Yeah. It's the last day in Mexico here in Cancun. Having a great time at this resort, at this wedding. It's been great, so I'm gonna live it up tonight. Yes.
Staying at an all-inclusive resort like this is always a safe bet, especially when there are some dangers in certain areas of Mexico, so this is an option that you can feel safe and simply enjoy relaxing in this tropical getaway. If you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate that. Until next time, cheers, or should I say salud. Viva Mexico!